Hi. Um, I've always got questions like, how can I know my fashion style? How can I know my fashion wish, my fashion want? How can I know what suits me? And in today's video, I'm gonna take you through the journey of identifying. Before I go into this, I want you to understand the fact that each and every one of us have different personality. We all have a unique kind of personality in the sense that what works for one person might necessarily not work for the other person. So that is why.
Okay, let's go.
Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Faiza Sulaiman. I share fashion tips and educational tips to help you navigate your days in the university. Without much ado, let's get right into the video. As an individual, we all like to look, unique, special, and as well, look different and all of that. So before we can do all of this, there's some core things, there's some basic things we should ask ourselves before deciding our own fashion style and personalities. Now, if you finding it hard, you are kind of finding it hard to understand your own fashion style. In today's video, I'll show you just how you can recognize it. So, like I said earlier, the first and foremost is to reflect on yourself. So ask yourself the kind of thing that goes well with you. Yes, you have to question yourself and be like, okay, what are the things that I like? What are the things? Who do I admire? Like, what kind of dressing style do I see on the road and be like, I love this. I can also do something like this. So these questions should come first. And the easier way to make you get this is by seeing probably somebody that dress in a similar way that you like. So if you're the kind that admire somebody for their dressing, look at the kind of style, the kind of way that they dress for you to, like them for that. So in that way, you'll be able to find out your taste. When I first started, I made mention of the fact that we are unique as an individual, right? So one of the things that this brought about is what we call personality. So this personality is actually a way to define the uniqueness of an individual, to show you that we humans are different in whatever way you can say. We are not 100% same. So your own personality will vary from mine. That is just how it is. So based on personality, there are different kind of fashion style that we should talk about. Now, the first type is what we call the natural style personality. As the name implies, natural. This type of people, the people that falls in this category, just want to be comfortable. They don't want to stress themselves. They don't want to, say probably, okay, because this is trending, I should opt into it. No, these ones just want to dress for the comfort of it. They are the ones you will see wearing, comfy pants, comfy trousers. They just want to be comfortable. So that is the first category. So another category of people that we have is what we call the romantic style personality. These ones, they want to dress for the fun of it. They just love dressing up. And these kind of people that falls in this category are people that take extra effort in dressing up and all of that. You see them romanticizing their style. They just want to look good for the fun of it. So another one that we have is what we call the classic style personality. As the names imply, these ones are classic people in the sense that they take extra effort in planning out the outfits, and most of them usually like formal wears. They like dressing up in a sense that they look formal. So a classic person will want to make sure that everything are in the right places. Everything, you see them, probably they pack their hair, you see, they will make sure that not a tiny bit of the hair strand comes off. In the sense that they want to make sure that they are looking elegant enough. And it's